In today's video, I'm going to be cooking and baking. I baked a cake, I made a sandwich wrap, which you can make for your children. It's really lovely, I must tell you. So watch and see how I made this sandwich wrap, which is a full meal. These are the things I packed for a picnic. If you haven't watched my video on my fun day with my kids, please do and support my channel. My name is Chioma once again, and this is Mommy's Here. So I'm going to be baking first, and I have my ingredients here. Basically it's butter, flour, sugar, egg, and my vanilla extract. I'm going to be using the dumping method. That's what I call it. I just dump everything in. If you haven't tried this method, it's always a very good way to make cake if you don't have time to cream, or if you like, you can cream your cake, but I rarely do. So I've put all my ingredients together, and then I'm just going to use my blender to mix everything together. Once it's all mixed up, I'm going to put my butter into my pan and then allow it to bake. So before doing that, I make sure that I oil my pan, and then I will sprinkle some flour on it to make sure that it doesn't stick, everything comes out well. And then I'm going to pour my cake batter. As I said, I've put a lot here. Normally I don't like doing that. I like my cake to bake in less than 25 minutes, but I just want to bake once today and that's it. And next is my chicken, which I'm going to be using to make a sandwich for the picnic that we are going for, as I said earlier. So I'm putting all my seasonings into the chicken, and then I'm going to allow it to marinate for about 20-25 minutes before I grill it. I'm grilling it today. I have a recipe where I made my air fried chicken. You can look at that to see the seasonings that I use in seasoning my chicken. So my chicken has marinated, and I'm going to use my oven, air fryer, my Ninja Health grill to grill it this time. I'm not using the air fryer function, I'm using the grill function today. While it's grilling, I'm going to just mix some barbecue sauce, ketchup, and maple syrup, which I'm going to put over it. My children love it. They love it. It gives the chicken some sweet flavor, and this is a sandwich I'm making for them. So watch what I'm doing. I'm going to add some garlic, a little bit of oil so that my chicken doesn't come out too dry, and then I'm going to mix everything together. And halfway, as you can see, my chicken is almost getting done. I'm going to just paste it on top of it. And then I'm turning it again, I'm basting the other side, and then I'm going to allow it to grill till it's done. And my cake is out now, as you can see. A little bit burnt. I don't know, my oven, I'm still not able to get this oven temperature well. So yeah, but it's all fine, and I'm going to wrap up the cake, and then I'm getting my chicken out now. You can see it's all perfectly grilled. I don't know what I'll call this chicken, maybe barbecued ketchup chicken or whatever. Next, I'm preparing other ingredients for my sandwich. I'm frying my plantain and also grate my cheese, and then cut my vegetables too. This sandwich is very filling. I got this recipe, I think, from Terry Ann's Kitchen. I think that's where I got the idea from, at Terry Ann's Kitchen. I got the idea from her, and my children always love this sandwich. They always tell me to prepare it. It's a very good lunchbox idea too. So if you are thinking of what to put in your children's lunchbox, you can make this as an addition to it because it is quite filling. Just 1 or 2 is enough to fill them up. And then I'm also cutting my chicken. So just cut everything into tiny pieces. Just cut it as tiny as you can. And there I have it. And then the next thing I'm going to do now is to make my wrap. So I was calling it sandwich. I was calling it sandwich before, but yeah, it's a wrap. Yeah, and I'm using the wrap. I'm going to just put my sauce and put the vegetables on the next side, just as I'm doing now. You can use any sauce that you like. You can see I have different sauces here for different people. Someone likes my ketchup in my house, another one likes barbecue sauce. For me, I prefer my mustard, so everybody have theirs. So it's just to put different things on different sides and then fold it together. And here this is a meal. You've got the vegetable, you've got the protein, you've got the carbohydrate all in one. And then once I fold it, I'm going to put it in the grill. And then I'm going to make some more. Just fold a lot more and then put them in the grill. And then allow it to grill for about a minute or 2. Just to get the cheese melted into it. And that's it here. That's our sandwich wrap. It's all made. So I packed it in a labeled sandwich bag for each child because they have different sauces, the barbecue sauce and the ketchup, so that I don't mix up anyone's sandwich. And that's it there. And then the next thing I'm going to do now is to make my popcorn. And as you can see, I've put in my oil. I'm just going to swirl the pot, and then I'm adding my popcorn and then allow it to pop. I love that popping. I have a video of where I made my milk and honey popcorn, and for this recipe I'm making it differently. I'm using maple syrup and some other things. I'm going to share the recipe in another video, so keep an eye on it. Popcorn is popped. I'm going to just add my ingredients to it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up once again if you've been watching this far. Also, click and subscribe to Mommy's Yum. Leave a comment below if you enjoyed this video, and see you in my next video. Bye.